Let's go try the newest sweets on the Pick Your Own freeze dried. I've got some of the new freeze dried sweets on the Pick Your Own freeze dried. Now let's try them. So these ones are Knobbly Bobblies. These are so crispy and crunchy, and the flavour is like so strong. A bubblegum flavour. Crunch is perfect. Next up are the freeze dried milkshake bottles. These have almost like a dense chalky texture. A bit of a harder freeze dried sweet, and the flavours similar to like raspberry and cream squashes. Next up we've got the freeze dried kiwi slices. These are quite similar in texture to like the pineapple rings. These are just a bit crunchier and then a really strong kiwi flavour. You can't actually find many kiwi flavoured sweets, so these are a really nice change.